Corpbiz.
Hello friends, my name is Divya Dikshit. You are watching your favorite channel Corpbiz. Today in this video, the topic of our discussion will be insurance broker license. We will discuss regarding the whole topic that what is our insurance broker license, what is the eligibility criteria, what is the capital requirement, what are the documents required at the time of submission, and we will also cover the whole registration procedure. So let's begin the video. Insurance broker license. Brokers are agents that connect insurance company with the customers. They act as an intermediate element between the client and the insurance company. So, for the insurance and the reinsurance business to function smoothly, perfectly, and effectively, there is a requirement to follow the guidelines, the rules and regulations that fall under the insurance broker license. IRDAI, Insurance Regularity and Development Authority. The primary regularity authority for the insurance broker license is IRDAI, means the Insurance Regularity Development Authority of India. The Insurance Act 1938 and the Insurance Regularity and Development Act 1999 are the regulation behind insurance law. So the one who is dealing in the business of insurance broker license, it's mandatory for them to acquire a certificate from IRDAI for continuing his business as an insurance broker license. Types of insurance brokers. So now let's move on to the types of insurance broker, which are as follows. Direct broker. Direct broker renders advice on the appropriate insurance and the policy available. The direct broker also obtain market information on the insurance business. They act on the instruction provided by the client, such as helping the client open an e-insurance account and helping the client pay the premium on the insurance business. Reinsurance broker. A reinsurance broker performs similar function to the direct broker. The reinsurance broker sell product related to reinsurance, such as international insurance. A reinsurance broker also maintain the market statistic of reinsurance market. Negotiating on behalf of the client is another responsibility of the reinsurance broker. Composite broker. A composite broker is an institution that carries out all the function of a direct broker and a reinsurance broker. Therefore, this form of broker carries out the combined role of direct broker and a reinsurance broker. So now let's discuss the eligibility criteria for obtaining the insurance broker license. Look, insurance broker license eligibility criteria is divided depending upon the type, which is on the basis of deposit requirement, capital requirement, and the net worth requirement. Deposit requirement. Every applicant before the commencement of insurance broker license must ensure that the deposit must be maintained with the scheduled bank, and the deposit requirement are as follows. For direct broker, the sum which has to be deposited is 10 lakh rupees. For the composite and reinsurance broker, the sum deposited is 10% of the minimum capital or contribution. For any other business willing to be insurance broker, a fees of 100 lakh has to be paid to the authority. After the deposit requirement, we will discuss regarding the capital requirement. So, for the direct broker, the capital requirement is 75 lakh. For the reinsurance broker, the capital requirement is 4 crore, and for the composite broker, the capital requirement is 5 crore. Net worth requirement. So, in case of net worth requirement, 50 lakh rupees is for the direct broker and 50% of the minimum capital, that is equivalent, or the contribution is for the reinsurance broker or the composite broker. Documents required for insurance broker license. So let's quickly go through the documents required for the insurance broker license, which are as follows. Submission of relevant information as required in the Schedule 1, Form B. Copy of Memorandum of Association and Article of Association. Training for the employees starting an insurance broker business. Schedule 1, Form F should have the relevant data of the principal officer. Fit and proper certification which is required as per the Schedule 1, Form G. Declaration submitted by a key management executive, principal officer, director of the company that are not having any form of disqualification under the Act. Detail of director, partner, promoter and key management personnel are to be provided in the form. Schedule 1, Form F, list of qualified persons responsible for managing and procuring brokerage business along with their qualification. Detail of the statutory auditors and principal bankers along with the bank account number of the applicant. And the detail of infrastructure including IT infrastructure along with the supporting evidence like ownership or the lease agreement. Procedure for applying for an insurance broker license. The application for the insurance broker license must be made in the Form B, Schedule 1 under the regulation. The application must be submitted along with the document in Form C, Schedule 1 under the regulation, and the granting of the certificate for the insurance broker license is done in Form D, Schedule 1 along with the fees provided. The fees for direct broker is Rs 25,000. For reinsurance broker is Rs 50,000 and for the composite broker the fees is Rs 75,000. If the authority feel that all the requisite information document provided by the applicant complies with the insurance broker license, in principle approval is provided to the applicant for complying with the requirement for the registration of the certificate, and if everything goes well, means the authority is satisfied with the applicant requirement and the application, then the certificate means the license is provided. License renewal. The insurance broker license is valid for the period of 3 years, and in case of renewal, the renewal is done before 30 days of the expiry date, and that has been made in the Form K of Schedule 1 of the regulation. So I hope you get all the information regarding the insurance broker license. We'll connect soon with a new informative video. Till then, you take care. Bye-bye.